So, welcome to this Onshape video where I'm going to teach you how to make a pen box or pencil box, alright, similar to this one here. In this tutorial, we're going to learn commands, alright, such as our extrude, our mirror, parts and features. We're also going to use the mirror, sketch tool that's here. And we will learn how to add some appearances as well. So we're going to go to create. And we're going to type in our document name. Now, so here we are here. We're going to press sketch. We're going to select the top plane. So left click on top plane. We're going to move our mouse to the top on the cube and we're going to click that. And we're going to press R for center rectangle. Now I'm going to highlight the origin. It goes orange. I'm going to move my mouse along the cross, which is an edge view of the front plane. To left click here. I'm going to move my mouse out and down. So D for dimension. And I'm going to click this long edge here. I'm going to type in 300 mm. And then I'm going to click this one here. And I'm going to type in 12 mm. Now I'm going to click this point here and click that one edge of the plane there and press I to make sure they're coincident. Then I'm going to go D for dimension, left click this edge here, and left click the edge of the right plane. I'm going to left click the number here. I'm going to type in 50. Now I'm going to move my mouse up here and I'm going to press extrude. So I'm going to press extrude and I'm going to type in 60 and press enter. And I'm going to click or go down to parts here. And I'm going to right click over part 1 and rename it LHS, left hand side. Now I'm going to cut out the finger joints on this left hand side. So I'm going to press sketch. I'm going to select the inner face here. I'm going to move my mouse over to right and select the right plane. Now I'm going to go this time and press the drop down arrow here and select corner rectangle or G for corner rectangle. Now I'm going to draw for one rectangle and the left click here, second rectangle. I'm going to keep them in line. Now I'll turn off the rectangle tool by unticking it or pressing the letter G. I'm going to press D for dimension or selecting the command there. Now, so I'm going to make this 12. I'm going to left click that as 12. Left click this, then 12. I'm going to left click this line here on the bottom, move it out, take 12. Space here, I'm going to make 12. Now I'm going to turn off D for dimension. So to press D to turn off the dimension tool. I'm going to left click this line and this line and press E for equals. Now we can see there we've got the rectangles in. I'm going to press Shift and the letter E. Then we're going to open up the extrude command. I'm going to move this to remove. I'm going to hit the drop down arrow and change blind to true all. And then I'm going to tick OK. So there we have the fingers on one end. Now I want to get them on the opposite end. So I'm going to go to this tool called mirror here. I'm going to left click that. Now I'm changing from part mirror to a feature mirror. Okay. And I'm going to select mirror plane, feature mirror. So I'm going to left click in there. I'm going to left click the extrude. Now I'm going to left click on mirror plane, select the front plane. And I'm going to tick reapply features. Now, if you didn't put this center rectangle in the middle, so on the front plane, along the edge of the front plane, that here, so the center is not on that edge there, you're going to have difficulty doing this. Then I'm going to click OK. Now, we're going to put the groove, in for the lid. Now I'm going to select right here. I'm going to go to sketch, select this face here, and I'm going to type in G, corner rectangle. So I'm going to left click this corner here. I'm going to move my mouse all the way over to here, left click there. Then I'm going to go up to the top here, left click here. I'm going to move my mouse all the way over to the left and left click there. I'm going to press D for dimension. And I'm going to give this, or hit the edge, I'm going to type in 4. And then I can left click or turn off D for dimension. So press D to turn off dimension then. And I can left click the bottom line and left click this line here and press E for equals. So that means they're the same size. I'm going to go shift in the letter E. I'm going to change this to remove. Keep it blind, and I'm going to change the depth to 4 and press OK. Now with the groove cut out. Now I'm going to rename this. Alright. Fingers rename. So that was an edit. Now that's one piece done. So we're now going to get it on the opposite side, on the right hand side. So this is where we're going to learn to do a part mirror. So we're going to go to mirror, part mirror, entities to mirror, this one, mirror plane, right plane, and tick OK. And there we have two pieces there. Now I can rename, right click on mirror 1, rename. And part 2 I'm going to rename to RHS. Now I'm going to put the back on here. So this back piece I'm going to put on so we can see our finger joints there. Now we're going to move our mouse up to the cube. Okay, I'm going to tick the cube there until I get the back selected. Right, so it depends on each student, but you can rotate cube around like that to be able to find the view that you're looking for if you're struggling on it. There's the back there. Or sorry, that's the bottom, front. There's the back there. Now, I'm going to press sketch. Now, I'm going to select this surface here. So I just rotate a little bit. So this surface here, sorry, this one. I'm going to left click that. Now I'm going to go and hold down the rolly button just a slight bit. L for line, down, okay, across, down, across, down, across, down, across, and down. And then press back there. Okay, now I'm going to tidy up my sketch. So I'm going to press that line there and press H for horizontal. So we want all the lines to be black. Now I'm going to press L for line again. I want to draw across to here. And I'm going to press Q to turn into a light line and bring it down to here. And then Q again to turn it back into a heavy line. Now, so we have half of it done there. I want to go to mirror, select a mirror line. So I'm going to left click the center line. And then I'm going to left click all these ones here. And now it goes grey. Now we're going to press shift and the letter E. I'm going to turn this arrow around. Okay. And I'm just going to drag it back there. And I'm going to press change blind to up to face. And I'm going to select this face here. So just in there. So it finishes at the end of the finger joints. And new has got to be on. I'm going to tick OK. And I'm going to rename this back. Now, I'm going to rotate my model around. I'm going to press sketch and select this face here. And I'm going to hit front. And I'm going to cut out my rectangles. So G for corner rectangle. Left click up here. So just go a little bit over it. And I'm going to move it out here. Now don't snap onto the middle. Okay, so when you see that orange square, don't snap there. Just a little bit further on. So I'll do the same here. Now, press G to turn off the rectangle. Now I'm going to left click this point and left click that one and press the letter I for coincident. To left click that point. Okay, and I'm struggling to get one on the front view. So now when I rotate it a little bit, I can get this one here. So left click that point, press I. I'm going to do the same at the bottom. So I'm going to left click that point there, rotate it a little bit, left click that point and press I. Now left click that point. Proving very hard to get, so I'm going to rotate it around a little bit. Left click the point there and press I. Now shift and E. And we're going to go remove. And we're going to type in 4 millimeters. Okay, we're going to select merge scope and select just that part there for a merge scope. Click OK. Oh, sorry, what's after happening there? I'll have to right click, edit that. Okay. So, oh, I see there, right. So I'll go to clear that. I'll go through it again there, it's handiest. Right click, edit the sketch, extrude, remove, 4. Now merge scope, select the back, tick OK. Now, there we go. Now I'm going to do the front piece. So I'm going to go press sketch, and I'm going to left click that face there. I'm going to press front. I'm going to just press the arrow key, left arrow key once. L for line. Now I'm going to start here. I'm going to go up, or press the right arrow key. Move my mouse over here to snap so it's horizontal. Across, up, across. So if it goes in arc, press L for line to turn it off, and then press L again to turn it back on. L, up, cross to here. So you can see the shapes we're doing. Now to center, press Q for a light line, back to our front, down to here. Press Q again to turn it to a heavy line. Now we have half of it sketched out there. Now we're going to press the mirror tool, select a mirror line, this one, and we can left click all these parts that we're flipping around. You see the way it goes grey. I'm going to press Shift, letter E. We're going to change blind to up to face. I'm going to select that face. We're going to click OK. Now, we're going to rename that to front. And then we're going to cut the groove along the bottom here. So I'm going to go over the back here and press hide the back. Now, okay, I'm going to select the back on the cube here. I'm going to press sketch, select the face in the front piece, G for corner rectangle, start from the top corner there, move it over here, click it, press G to turn it off, then left click the point, and left click that point there and press the letter I. And then we're going to go shift and the letter E. We're going to go to remove. We're going to type in 4. And then we're going to left click merge scope and we're going to select the front piece. Click OK. Now we're going to put in our base. Alright, so we're going to put in our base. Now I'm going to press sketch, select this front face, or sorry, the inside of the front face, and press back, so that means you're seeing the reverse. G for corner rectangle. So I'm going to left click at that corner, do my same principle, move it out there, press G to turn it off, left click that point, left click that point, press I, and now we're going to go extrude, and we're going to have new, and we're going to change blind up to part. Sorry, no, up to face. Now this is where it'll be tricky. We'll have to go to the back, turn our eye on, we're going to zoom in here. We're going to select that face in there. Okay, I have to left click up to face and tick that there. And then I'm going to tick OK. And I have the base there. So I can rename that the base. And now we have to do the lid. Okay, so I'm going to press sketch. Now, just while I think of it, right, my extrude, okay, started. Where did it start from? I'm just going to right click or go over to my front or my back and press hide. And I'm going to go over to my right hand side and press hide. Now zoom in there, and I don't like that there. That doesn't work. So it is. So I started on the wrong sketch plane. So I'm going to right click the sketch 8 and I'm going to press edit. Now I'm going to X out of face 3. I'm going to select that face there and tick OK. Alright, and now that's changed. Now I'm going to turn on my back again. And I can leave my right hand side turned on so I can press show there. Now I'm going to press sketch. I'm going to zoom in here and select this face here. Select the front, R for rectangle, or sorry, G for rectangle, corner rectangle, left click out there, left click out there. Now left click that point, and that point press I, left click that point, and that point press I. Then Shift and E, and I'm going to change this to up to face and select that one there, and it's new, and we're going to tick OK, and I'm going to rename that to lid. Now we'll put a hole in it, all right, so we can be able to pull out our lid. So I'm going to press sketch, sketch plane, the top of the face, top. I'm going to press OK, C for circle. I'm going to draw a circle in the origin there, D for dimension. I'll type in diameter 60. Shift, letter E, remove, up to next. So that means it goes up to the next face and click OK. Now, then if we want to add colors, we can go, you can go in here, appearance panel, parts and surfaces, or you can go up to add face appearance and you can click the faces there as you so wish if you want to, if you get more fun doing that. And you can tick OK, select it again then if you want different colors. And so on and so forth. Right, thank you very much.